Hello, it's Alice from Finding Country, and I'm at a very exciting new listing that we have today. This is Old Mills at Vale. It is an impressive 4-bedroom character property surrounded by 12 acres of gardens. Let's take a look. Inside, the property still showcases lots of its original features, but over time, with change, it's also been made super practical and modern. As well as the scenery surrounding the ponds and the stream, there is plenty of space to sit and relax on a day like today. Not only is there plenty of space outside to entertain and relax, you also have this beautiful swimming pool for the days where the weather isn't quite as nice. As well as a stream running through the property, there is also this beautiful pond, which you can enjoy from inside the house or out here as well. Running through the 12.5 acres is a stream which is home to an abundance of wildlife. There is also opportunity for potential income as well to be made here. Behind me, there is plenty of space for glamping pods or potentially a conversion of an annex. This is such an impressive property, and if you love it just as much as I do, give us a call today on 01237 426 018 and have a look for yourself.